We are going to discuss about Amazon S3 storage classes. There are 7 storage classes. They are standard, standard 1A, one zone 1A, intelligence tiering, glacier, glacier deep, archive, and reduced redundancy. Standard storage class frequently access data. We use standard whenever we want to access data frequently, then we can go for standard storage class. It is available in more than 3 available zones. Next, standard 1A, long lived data. It is nothing but the information is lived for years. Then infrequently accessed data, that is backup for disaster recovery. We can use standard 1A. When we don't access data very frequently, then we can go for standard 1A. One zone 1A, long lived, infrequently accessed data, non-critical data. Non-critical data is nothing but the data which does not contain sensitive information. It is available in one available zones. Then we can go for one zone 1A. Intelligence sharing, long-lived data with changing or unknown access pattern. This is nothing but the long-lived data, nothing but the information which is stored for years. With changing or unknown access, nothing but we can't predict. We may access the data or we may not hardly access the data. It is nothing but intelligence sharing. It is also available in more than 3 available zones. Then glacier. Archive data is nothing but it is information where we don't access that data very frequently. It contains historical data or business related data, and archive data with retrieval times ranging from minutes to hours. So we can use Glacier when we want to retrieve archive data that is from minutes to hours. It is also available in more than 3 available zones. Glacier archive, Glacier deep archive. So the archive data that we use very rarely, and the retrieval time is in hours. We can go for a Glacier Deep archive when we want to access our archive data very rarely. The retrieval time is in hours, and it is also available in more than 3 available zones. And the last one is a reduced redundancy. It is not recommended by AWS, so we can use when we want to access our data very frequently. That is non-critical data, where we can use non-critical. It is nothing but which does not contains any sensitive informations. Then we can go for reduced redundancy. Amazon S3 cost. So the important pricing element of Amazon S3 depends on the cost of storage. For GB, the cost of storage and the retrieval charge. So if we are retrieving our data in minutes, then the cost is high. If we want to retrieve our data in hours, then the cost is less. Monthly tiering fees. So monthly tiering fees is only for intelligence tiering storage class. So the data transfer is free. So what are the free of cost we get when we use Amazon S3 service? Data transfer into S3. If you want to transfer our data that is on premises to cloud, then the data transfer is free of cost. And data transfer from S3 to Amazon CloudFront. If you want to transfer the data from Amazon S3 service to Amazon CloudFront, then that is free of cost. And if you want to transfer the data from Amazon S3 to services in the same region, that is also free. So these are the free of cost, and the most important is that to remember is that the costs charged based on GB. The more GB, more cost. The less GB, the less cost, and also the retrieval time also. If you want to access our data in minutes, then the cost is high. If you want to access the data in hours or in days, then the cost is very low. So that is about Amazon S3 cost.